In September 2025, Mercedes-Benz will unveil more than a car. It will unveil a promise. The all-new electric GLC is not just a next step in an SUV's journey. It is a face of the future, a symbol of how heritage and innovation can live side by side. Its sculpted lines flow with confidence, its stance radiates strength, and every curve whispers ambition. From a luminous grille to the striking light signatures, this design doesn't just move, it inspires. Beneath the beauty lies a heart powered by pure electricity, engineered for performance with purpose. It delivers a balance of range, efficiency, and power that modern drivers demand. Even its towing strength is designed to remind you that responsibility and capability can walk hand in hand. With intelligent aerodynamics and advanced driver assistance systems, every journey feels calmer, safer, and more effortless. Step inside and emotion meets luxury. High-resolution displays glow with clarity. Sustainable materials breathe refinement, and every touchpoint reminds you that comfort can also be conscience. Each seat becomes a private retreat, each drive a moment of connection. When the electric GLC takes its world premiere in Munich, it will not just launch a vehicle. It will ignite a new era for Mercedes-Benz, where elegance, progress, and vision unite.